Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I got my Stitch Fix. Here it is, my Stitch Fix. It comes pretty quick. They send you an email about it. Stitch Fix is a clothing service for men, women, children. You can get this for anybody, and they have all kinds of clothing, casual, dressy, dresses. Right now, especially, they have beautiful stuff for summer. Shorts and jeans and purses and necklaces and earrings and shoes and boots and all kinds. Anything you want clothing wise, they have it. Purses, did I say that already? I may have said that already. Anyway, it's a great styling service. I'm a little picky and I ask for blouses. That's what I'm into right now, because some of their, some of their slacks don't fit me. They haven't had a big selection of plus size bottoms. So I've gotten a couple of things that have been just fine. And I did my last Stitch Fix. I liked everything. I kept everything, but I exchanged 2 items. And that was free to exchange. They sent me 2 smaller sizes. And I mean, the smaller size for each, and I love them. And so let's see what I got. It is $20, and that if you sign up under someone that has Stitch Fix, you will get $25, and I'll get $25 unless there's some special going on, which they've never offered me. But if you sign up under me, I'll get $25, you'll get $25, so your first box will be completely free because you'll be charged the $20 and you'll have a $25 credit. So then you'll end up with a $5 credit. So if you buy anything, if you want anything, that will, the $5 will go towards what you get. If you don't want anything, you can send it back. So it's completely, what am I trying to say? It's completely free to try. Let's put it that way. And but I put it off and put it off. I saw so many people doing it, and I'm like, I'm not gonna do that because I am so picky. I have enjoyed it so much. I love it, love it, love it. And they will send me sometimes things that I'm like, I don't know about that, but things that I wouldn't try, and then I end up loving it. So I'm happy about that. They send you a bag to return your items in, a prepaid, and they send you an envelope of all your information. So in here is your letter from your stylist. And also they send you these cards that you can break these and keep them and file them if you'd like to. It shows you how to wear your items. And also sometimes it shows you what will go with other things that you've already bought. So, and then there's your price guide. So this is what my bundle looks like today. There's one side and there's another side. So lots of colors going on in there. They do send you an email, not the first time, but they'll send you an email asking if you'd like to look through. They show you 10 items. If you'd like to pick any of those, you can ignore that email. Some people ignore it and just, see what they send. And, or you could pick things, and you can pick all 5 things and get exactly what you want, or you can pick 1 thing or 2 things. So I'm going to try these on. I'll be back. I like this, y'all, but I love the color. Love the color. This is my color, and I like it. It is stretchy. It's not a t-shirt. I mean, not t-shirt material. It's thin, but it is snug on me, and I don't like that. I can't walk around holding my belly in all the time, but I love the length. I like the sleeves. I like it a lot, but I'm not going to get it because it's too snug here. I need loose because I have a big belly. Okay. All right, this one I like very much. It's a beautiful color. It is teal with this pattern. I like it a lot. I think I have this blouse in a different color, which doesn't necessarily bother me. But this has elastic sleeves, which I don't like generally, but these don't bother me. So they're not tight. You can see, they're loose. So this has, what is that, like a mandarin collar? And then it has this little ruching up here for a little bit of an effect. It's long, and see how loose it is? I like that. I don't need my belly showing. There's the back. And I really like this one. I love the color. This is very pretty. I wouldn't pick this because of the sleeves, but I have. Last summer I wore a few with these kinds of sleeves and I did okay. Nobody made fun of my big arms. They may have, not in front of me. But this is really pretty. It's like satin. See how pretty that is? And I like the length. I've got cats in my feet, so it's very beautiful. Now, let me show you the back. I couldn't get the tags just right. There's a crisscross going on in the back, and I'll show it to you. I don't know if you can see it there, because I think that tag is sort of in the way. So it's really pretty for summer. Can you hear me? It's really pretty for summer. I'll show you when I sit down. Well, this one is pretty, but I'll tell you something. I haven't looked at the sizes. They send me 2Xs. I wear 1X or 2X. I couldn't get my arms in because of these buttons. I could leave them open if I like the blouse enough because they're comfortable that way. This is pretty. Just something a little different. And I do like this has this lining. It has a lining to it, which is nice. I always wear something under anyway, but with this I wouldn't have to. And it also is, it's summery now here. It's getting hot now already. We might have some cool days left, but not very many. So, but this I could wear definitely in the fall and winter next year. But it's really pretty. So it's sheer sleeves. It's like the blouse that I was wearing when I started. It has that lining. It might be by the same company, but that one fits me perfectly. So this is just something a little different, which is nice, yeah, I like it. I didn't think I was gonna like this one, y'all, because I thought it was too dark green or something, but I like it. This one is very pretty. It's like these little leaves are cut out and sewn on. Really pretty collar. And then also the sleeve, these sleeves are sheer. This also has a lining, the burgundy color. This has this type of thing where you can tack it up if you want to. It's very beautiful. It's really like a pretty thing, like you could wear it to a wedding or something. I mean, fancy. You can make it very fancy with your jewelry and what have you. But it's very beautiful. I love the color. I honestly love all of the colors they sent me. So, well, I'm a bit overheated, so I put a t-shirt on. So my stylist is Larissa. She's been my stylist for a couple of times now. And in her note, she's basically telling me to, give them more feedback. So, and go to, they want you to look at their website. Or for me, I look on the app and, click on things that you like. So, and she's asking me what spring inspiration do I have to tell her about. So, let's see what we got. We got, the first thing I tried on was this. This feels so good. This was like the t-shirt looking item. It feels so good, y'all, and see, it's got this fabulous stretch to it. It is spandex, and spandex, 95% spandex, or rayon, I'm sorry, rayon, 5% spandex. And it's market in spruce, gorgeous, gorgeous color. I did ask them for no rayon, but this is different material. It's not like a cottony feel to it, so I don't think this would shrink. It may, but I mean, I would be careful. I love the style of it. I love everything about it except that it's snug around my middle. So I will not be keeping that one. And that is Market and Spruce, $35. Nice price. It's called the Aran Overlap V-Neck Knit. And then there was some detail on the neck. Yeah, not much. And next I tried this short sleeve on. This light blue. This is $40. This is Paper Moon Josephine back detail blouse. So this is really pretty. This is the front, and it just feels very silky. And it has these sleeves, the summer sleeves. And then the back has this crisscross. Okay, Blue, stay back there. It has this crisscross on it, which was pretty. But with these, the tags all in there, it was getting in my way. I like it, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It'll depend on everything. So that was a good price, $40. And next, I think I tried this one on, this long sleeve. I could be out of order, y'all, so pardon me if I am. I really like this color. Teal is a good color for me. And where is the tag? It is Monday Fun. Monday Fun is also fun to fun. And this is the Kinney Split Neck Smocked Shoulder, teal green, at $49, of course. It's the most expensive thing in here. I do love it. I love the color. Blue, come on through if you're coming through and get it over with. I love it. It's teal. And I love it. I love it. Okay, come on through, come on through. He's trying to sit on close. And then next up was this green blouse, I believe. And this is, it's different. I never would have picked this, y'all. This is Paper Moon. And it's nice because it has that lining. Very nice to have the lining in there. And the sleeve then is sheer. I don't know if you can see that. But this is really weird, the bands around the arm. This was too tight around me. And so unbuttoning it, it was loose. And that wouldn't bother me, and I don't think anybody would say, hey, your sleeve is unbuttoned. I don't think anybody would even notice that. But this one is, let's see, dark green, Constance Keyhole Blouse. And this one is $46. This is the one that has, I guess I forgot, when I turned around, you might have seen it. This is the keyhole in the back. And then the front has this cute design, a little bit different, something a little bit different. So I do like that one. And then the last one is this. I thought this was really beautiful. I love the fabric. It is the brand Paper Moon also. And this is Petunia Textured Chiffon Blouse. This one is $44. And if you can see, this was one that was lined also. And then this fabric is beautiful. The sleeves are sheer. Try to show you. It has a texture to it. So it's a gorgeous color. And then these little leaves are like all sewn on. Very, very pretty. A little too warm for now. And so that one is $44. So my total is $214. And if I buy everything, I'd say $53.50 and pay $160.50. Now I have a $50 credit because I have a $50 gift certificate that I got from Fetch, because Fetch is an app that you scan your receipts and you also can play games, and I got $50 toward my Stitch Fix. And so I did apply it on the account, so it's showing on here. So if I bought everything with that $50 off, it would be $110.50. But I'm not going to buy everything, and that's disappointing to me. Unless sometimes I'm going to go over them again. If I like 4 out of the 5, sometimes it's better to buy everything because of the discount, and then you can give the other blouse away to someone that would like it. So I'll see about it. But y'all, that's my Stitch Fix, and thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. And again, if you are interested at all in Stitch Fix, there I have that information below. You can join if you like. And like I said, it's free, and they ask you a bunch of questions to get everything right. And if you don't like what you know, I might keep a couple of pieces, and I'm not going to send the whole thing back. I definitely am going to keep at least 1 or 2 or 3. So we'll see, and I'll let you know somewhere down the line what I kept. Y'all take care. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.